Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, hacking, crypto, and technology. Please like and subscribe. Have you ever pondered the intriguing connection between the elusive world of hacking and the thriving realm of cryptocurrency? Our digital odyssey begins in the nascent stages of both phenomena. Back in the 80s, the term hacking was associated with curious minds exploring the limits of technology. It was a time when the first seeds of cryptocurrency, the idea of digital money, were just being sown by pioneers like David Chaum, who introduced the concept of blinding formula, a precursor to blockchain technology. Fast forward to the 90s. The internet was becoming a vital part of life, and with it came new opportunities for hackers. Around the same time, the idea of digital cash started to materialize with the introduction of DigiCash, although it was short-lived due to bankruptcy. As the internet continued to evolve, a new technology emerged that would change the game forever: blockchain. This innovative technology was a decentralized digital ledger where transactions were recorded across multiple computers. It was blockchain technology that made the creation of Bitcoin possible, providing a secure and transparent way for peer-to-peer transactions to take place. But the potential of blockchain technology extended far beyond cryptocurrency. From finance to healthcare, from supply chain to voting systems, this game-changing technology held promise for a multitude of industries. Blockchain technology, the backbone of Bitcoin, was about to revolutionize the world, and with it, the world of hacking and digital cash would forever be changed. As we stepped into the new millennium, hacking was no longer about curiosity, but had become a tool for cybercrime. In parallel, cryptocurrency began to take shape with the introduction of Bitcoin in 2009 by the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto. This was a landmark moment for both hacking and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature and peer-to-peer transactions, became a magnet for hackers. The allure of untraceable digital money was too enticing to resist. Over the next decade, we witnessed some of the most notorious hacking incidents in cryptocurrency history. The Mt. Gox hack in 2014, where over $400 million worth of Bitcoin was stolen. The DAO hack in 2016 that led to the split of Ethereum into two cryptocurrencies. The Binance hack in 2019, where over $40 million in Bitcoin was taken. While hacking continued to pose challenges, the impact of cryptocurrency on the global economy was undeniable. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies started to rise in global finance, making waves in a world dominated by traditional monetary systems. Major corporations began to take notice and adopt cryptocurrency into their operations, further legitimizing its place in the economy. The potential of cryptocurrency to disrupt traditional financial systems was becoming more apparent. Cryptocurrency, once a fringe concept, was now a major player in the global economy. Meanwhile, the world of cryptocurrency continued to grow, with thousands of new digital currencies emerging, each with its unique features and uses. The innovation didn't stop there. The concept of ICOs, or initial coin offerings, was introduced, revolutionizing the way startups could raise funds. But with all these advancements, the relationship between hacking and cryptocurrency became even more complex. The fallout of the Paragon ICO and the Silk Road saga are prime examples. They exposed the dark underbelly of the digital landscape, where hackers and scammers lurk. As we look to the future, the relationship between cryptocurrency and cybersecurity remains a critical concern. With the rise of digital currencies, the challenges in maintaining security and preventing breaches have amplified. Blockchain technology, while a potential solution, still has its own limitations and vulnerabilities. The future of cryptocurrency is inevitably tied to the future of cybersecurity. As cryptocurrency continues to evolve, so too must our cybersecurity measures. Its future and ours depends on it. The future of digital money depends on it. It's a race against time, a battle of wits, and the stakes are high. The digital age demands digital solutions, and the next chapter of this narrative will be written by those who can outsmart the hackers at their own game. So, where does this leave us today? Cryptocurrency has become a major player in the global economy, and hacking continues to evolve, posing new challenges every day. In this digital age, the relationship between hacking and cryptocurrency is like a never-ending chess game, where every move has consequences, and the rules are constantly changing. In summary, we started from a place of curiosity and exploration, which led to the creation of revolutionary technologies like Bitcoin. But these advancements have also opened Pandora's box, inviting hackers and scammers into the mix. Despite the risks, the world of cryptocurrency continues to thrive, offering new possibilities and challenges. It's a journey through a digital landscape, filled with neon-lit binary code and bustling digital metropolises. It's a story of intrigue, caution, and optimism. It's the tale of hacking and cryptocurrency, a tale that continues to unfold as we venture further into the digital age. As the saga of cryptocurrency continues to unfold, governments worldwide are finding themselves in a complex dance with this digital titan. From the east to the west, countries are taking varied approaches, some embracing the innovation while others hold back in caution. These regulations, or sometimes the lack thereof, are shaping the growth and trajectory of cryptocurrency. In the war against hacking and scams, regulations emerge as a double-edged sword, potentially stifling innovation, but providing a safety net against the dark underbelly of the digital world. The role of governments and regulations in the world of cryptocurrency is indeed a contentious issue, a key player in the grand story of digital finance. This chapter is yet to be concluded, and its outcome will profoundly impact the future of cryptocurrency. In response to the mounting threat posed by hackers, the realm of cybersecurity has evolved at an unparalleled speed. We've witnessed the development of advanced measures to protect against hacking, including sophisticated encryption algorithms and multi-factor authentication. In this digital arms race, artificial intelligence and machine learning have taken center stage, learning from past attacks to predict, prevent, and respond to future threats. It's a constant, high-stakes game of cat and mouse between hackers and cybersecurity experts. This relentless evolution of cybersecurity is a testament to the resilience and innovation of the digital world, standing tall in the face of constant threats. As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, the intricate dance between hacking and cryptocurrency is bound to continue evolving in ways we may not yet fully comprehend. In this digital era, where change is the only constant, we can anticipate further developments in both cryptocurrency technology and hacking methods. A significant factor that could dramatically reshape this landscape is the advent of quantum computing. With the potential to crack even the most complex encryption codes, quantum computers may become the next powerful weapon for hackers, posing a new level of threat to the security of cryptocurrencies. On the other side of the coin, we could see the emergence of quantum-resistant cryptocurrencies, fortifying the financial world against this formidable adversary. Moreover, as technology continues to advance, so will the tactics employed by hackers. This could lead to an era of more sophisticated and harder to detect cyber attacks, pushing the boundaries of cybersecurity further than ever before. The future of hacking and cryptocurrency is foggy, riddled with uncertainties and potential game changers. But one thing is crystal clear: the digital age is just getting started, and with it, the ceaseless tango between cryptocurrency and hacking will continue to twist and turn in unexpected ways.